Hello there. This is MD here with you on Everything PS. In this video, I am going to talk about new features in Adobe After Effects, October 2021 release, version 22. Faster previews and renders with multi-frame rendering. Accelerate your creative process by taking advantage of the full power of your system's CPU cores when previewing and rendering. After Effects automatically adjusts resource usage to render your compositions as fast as possible on your machine. Reimagined render queue with remote notifications. The reimagined render queue highlights information such as what's rendering, how much time is remaining, rendering progress and how it's using your system. Send notifications remotely to your Creative Cloud desktop or mobile app. With the Creatively Cloud mobile app, link your notifications to your smartwatch to know when your compositions are rendered and when they're not, no matter where you are in the world. Composition Profiler. Sometimes complex projects in After Effects can produce bottlenecks in rendering performance. This feature enables you to make different decisions to optimize your system resources. Know which layers are less performant while previewing, enabling you to streamline complex projects and reduce rendering bottlenecks. Speculative Preview. Render frames while idle for an improved preview experience. After Effects renders in the background, enabling you to playback or scrub compositions quickly. Export faster with Adobe Media Encoder. You can now export your compositions faster with Adobe Media Encoder using multi-frame rendering. This update maximizes the full power of your system and enables you to continue working in After Effects while Adobe Media Encoder renders your compositions in the background. Improved playback for 10-bit HEVC. New hardware accelerated decoding for 10-bit 422 HEVC files. provides improved playback and smoother editing with supported hardware, including Windows Intel machines. Enable LUT interpolation method selection. You can select the 3D LUT interpolation method from File, Project Settings, Color, and select the method from the 3D LUT interpolation drop-down. Currently, After Effects only supports trilinear or tetrahedral interpolation. Unified version numbers. With this release, the Adobe video and audio applications are aligning on version number 22.0. Major versions offer forward and backward interoperability between the Adobe applications, so that users with any 22.x version can work with any other 22.x. Consistent version numbering will simplify updating and collaboration. Now in After Effects Beta, Scene Edit Detection. Powered by Adobe Sensei, finding the original edit points in a video is necessary before you start editing the video. Using scene detection helps you to automatically efficiently detect scene changes and place scenes as for a faster project setup without having to go through the footage manually. Here we go. Finally, we are done for today. If you want me to explain anything about these new features in detail, just tell me in the comments down below. See you soon.